Moving FieldLogic Hub to the cloud. Here we have a fully configured instance of FieldLogic Hub. Make sure you have previously opened a cloud account with Tech Services, so the next time you open FieldLogic Hub, you will see Cloud as an option in the menu bar. Select Cloud, and then Store Data in the Cloud. Read the permission and warning. Select Yes. From here, log into your cloud account. Enter your username and select Login. Then enter your password and select Login. You will need to give the FieldLogic Hub Cloud instance a name. Enter a name for your cloud instance and select Next. Once it has published that information to the cloud, the system will prompt you to restart Hub to continue configuring. Select OK. Now when you restart FieldLogic Hub, notice you are no longer using your local instance of Hub, but your cloud instance. Enter your FieldLogic Hub cloud credentials and select Login. Once you have logged in, you can now add or manage your devices in Cloud Hub.